Today we're trying something new. I just got a brand new bundle of fabrics, but I have no idea what to do with it because they're all one color. Just one, that's it. Let's see if we can figure this out. And this happens to me a lot. I see fabric I love and I buy them. I mean, I have to. But then I have no idea what to make of it, like this one. It's all in one tone. Don't get me wrong, it is absolutely gorgeous, but where's the contrast? I could mix it up with other fabrics and be done, but for this one, I think I'm going to stay true to the spirit of this charm pack and do a monochromatic quilt. A monochromatic quilt is a quilt that uses very similar colors with small value changes, or one that has a base color and small hints of other colors for contrast. When we think monochromatic, we imagine something heavy, one tone that pretty much blends together without any kind of shape or interesting pattern. But that's not what I want to do today at all. In fact, I am doing the opposite. I want a quilt filled with tiny details to look at once we're done. I'm just pairing these real quick, darker fabrics with lighter ones and patterned fabrics with plainer ones. I'm also setting some squares aside. Now, one way to make monochromatic quilts more interesting is to add some pattern interrupts. Literally, I am going to take these squares I've set aside and I'm going to scatter them along with the quilt blocks I'm creating. I'll need to trim them down to the same size, but that's easy enough to do. Now we need to mark the top fabric somehow. You can add a line, you can press it in half, whatever works for you. Then we will be sewing 2 lines alongside the line we just made. And I'm going completely out of my comfort zone for this one because I really do rely on my contrast for making a quilt. I think we all do. Quilts are all about mixing different colors, or at the very least, very different values, and watching the magic happen from there. As a quilter, when you've got very little to no contrast and you're breaking all sorts of so-called quilting rules, what do you have left? It's kind of scary, but I hope to show you by the end of this that it can be done. And this is such a happy color. The fabrics being gorgeous really do help. And can you believe the year is almost up? I have to be honest, I still haven't completed one of my New Year's resolutions for 2024. I wanted to learn how to draw, but I just didn't know how to do it. I looked on YouTube but got so overwhelmed. But there's still time because now I have Skillshare. They are today's sponsor, and thanks to them, I am finally learning how to draw. And maybe one day I'll get to create stunning patterns like these. Can you imagine? Skillshare is the largest online community for creative people, with thousands of classes taught by experts in their fields in all sorts of categories like painting, sewing, or cooking. And it's not just hobbies either. They can help take your career, your skills, or your side hustles to the next level. You know, as I look back on this past year, I just decided to take this class and learn to draw. I'm a complete beginner, but I've been improving every day thanks to Skillshare. I am so happy with it. How about you? What have you been meaning to learn but for whatever reason never got round to it? Well, the new year's coming up. It is the perfect time to finally pursue your passions or learn new things, and Skillshare is the place to do it. And for the first 500 people to use my link in the description, you will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So go check it out and get started today. Let's press them real quick. Now we want to combine these right sides together and draw another line and sew on both sides. Time to cut over our line again. And here we have it, 2 hourglass quilt blocks ready to go. Let's make some more. A monochromatic quilt is actually a very minimalistic type of quilt to make. You know, there's nothing busy or aggressive about it. You can go totally crazy with your pattern and it will still look soft and peaceful. And if you're using the fabric prints to create the much needed difference between them, make sure they have different sizes. This one has a much larger print than this one. And if I was to use the same size for a pair, it wouldn't look as nice or as different as combining different size prints does. Making an hourglass quilt block is all about that point where the two triangles meet. That's what we should watch out for when we're making them. Mine are looking pretty great. They're not flawless, but they're pretty perfect as far as I'm concerned. And here we have them, our gorgeous quilt blocks done in no time. Super easy and super fun. Ah, how awesome are these? Let's play. I am liking this so far. I cannot decide which one I like the best. Now, you may have noticed that these fabrics have some colors mixed in, and I want to say that for me, it doesn't change much of what we're doing here. It does not contribute to making the quilt top more interesting, but also it doesn't ruin the overall effect of a monochromatic quilt. These are still pretty warm colors that combine well with one another, you know, which is one of the pre-cut bundles' superpower. You always know they'll work out well together. That and the time you save by not having to cut fabric, of course. But if you don't agree, just use one color in different values without any other colors mixed in, and that should look absolutely perfect. And here we have it, our monochromatic hourglass quilt top ready to go. Ah, I am loving the look of this, guys. So cheerful. You can definitely see the pattern even though it's all in very similar colors, and I'm loving the result. Ah, I had so much fun with this one. I hope you did too, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.